Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and connections so you don't chase phantom problems. First, confirm the monitor's HDR standard and plug it with a DisplayPort 1, 4 or HDMI 2, 0 plus cable. Cables often look fine but fail bandwidth. Next, turn on the monitor's HDR mode in its on-screen menu and choose the correct input. Once done, enable HDR in your operating system display panel so the computer can send the right signal. This combination ensures proper negotiation between devices before deeper tweaks. Now you refine how HDR looks by calibrating tone mapping and color. Switch the monitor to an HDR or custom preset and turn off dynamic contrast, since it shifts highlights unpredictably. Use OS calibration tools or a colorimeter to target correct white point and gamma. Hardware meters give the best repeatable result. Adjust peak brightness and contrast gradually so highlights retain detail and shadows aren't crushed. Make sure to test with real HDR clips. You're training both the panel and system to agree on luminance and color. Finish by locking in software and fallback checks so HDR stays reliable. Update GPU drivers and monitor firmware, then reboot to apply changes. Driver-level fixes often resolve flicker or color shifts. If you see washed colors or banding, try alternate HDR metadata modes in the player or temporarily disable HDR on that app to isolate the problem. If problems persist, swap cables, try another port, or test a different display. That one troubleshooting tip, methodically change one variable at a time, gets you to the root cause fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.